第一課對話，這要偌濟錢？老師舊早，老師迄要偌濟錢？這要56塊。我有31塊。你有31塊，伊有偌濟？伊有25塊，這是56塊。好，多謝。老師，多謝。再見。新語 Number 1. I. To like, love, to want, desire, to need, require, cost, must. 我愛錢 I want, need money. 你愛偌濟 or 你愛偌濟錢 How much do you want, need? 我愛5塊 I want $5. Number 2. 再見 See you again. So long. Goodbye. 老師，再見 Goodbye, teacher. Number 3. 這 This, these. Demonstrative pronoun, not a modifier. Used to refer to things, not persons. 這要偌濟? How much does this cost? 這是20塊. This is $20. Number 4. 錢 Money. 我有錢 I have money. 這是錢 This is money. Number 5. 舊早 You're around early. Good morning. Number 6. 我 I. Me. 我愛30塊 I want $30. Number 7. 學生 Student, students. 我是學生 I am a student. Number 8. Hey, that, those. Demonstrative pronoun, not a modifier. Used to refer to things, not persons. He ai偌濟? How much does that cost? He是錢 That is money. Number 9. Ho. To be good. Okay. All right. Fine. Ho has other meanings to be studied later, such as well, easy, finished. Number 10. He, she, him, her. Subjective, objective cases. 伊是老師 He, she is a teacher. Number 11. Call dollars. 這是40塊 This is $40. Number 12. 老師 Teacher. 老師舊早 Good morning, teacher. Number 13. Li. You. Singular. Subjective, objective cases. 你有偌濟錢? How much money do you have? Number 14. 偌濟 How much? How many? 這要偌濟? How much does this cost? Number 15. She. To be. 伊是老師 我是學生 He is a teacher. I am a student. Number 16. 多謝 Many thanks. 老師多謝 Thank you, teacher. Number 17. 有 to have, there is, are. 伊有50塊 He has $50. 心意的注解 搞早
This literally means clever early, meaning you're clever, good, skillful at being around early. The people in their sublime courtesy are looking for a way of praising the person they meet. 搞早 is not exactly the equivalent of good morning, and unlike good morning, is not used throughout the morning. It is used only when the speaker feels that it is early. In farming areas, its use might be limited to a short period after dawn. To a farmer, 9 a.m. is not early. Note that 搞早 can be spoken at night or any other time to one who is early for a meeting, etc.
写分法 A. Each word sound in Taiwanese has an original tone. But in a sentence, we change the tone of each word, except in several cases. Some of these exceptions are as follows. 1. The last word in a sentence generally does not change tone. 老師多謝 Thank you, teacher. We may also say 多謝老師. 2. Single-syllable nouns generally do not change tone. 幾 3. In nouns of 2 or more syllables, the last syllable does not change tone. 老師學生 4. Zay and hey do not change tone. B. Most other words in a sentence, such as verbs and pronouns, generally change tone. 這愛偌濟錢我是學生 C. Zay and hey are pronouns, not modifiers. Do not use 這錢 to mean this money.